9:09. If you'd like to be a part of the program, just text in 88 to 91. We're getting loads and loads of jokes from you this morning as well, which is absolutely great. Paul in Bishop Stortford says, Tony, my girlfriend went to a fancy dress party last night as a Phillips screwdriver. She certainly turned a few heads.
Live this weekend where the action is. Tony Blackburn.
Tony, here's somebody else who went to a fancy dress ball. Said, I went dressed as a globe. Didn't speak to anybody. I was in a world of my own. Much love.
BBC Radio 2, where the action is.
So it's your choice coming up after Bobby Darin.
Somewhere beyond the sea, somewhere waiting for me.